So today we're going to make some soup again. I've got a bit fed up of making salads all the time. I had a bit of a crisis. I saw a video. I bought a new couch for my dog, 4 million views. And my salad videos struggle to get a few dozen. Anyway, so let's make some lovely soups. So courgette, this is called zucchini in the US. Okay, so courgette in the UK, zucchini in the US. No idea what it's called in Australia or New Zealand. Probably both. We got some yellow bell pepper and some tomatoes and garlic. Now this combination comes from the Flavour Bible, the American book, the Flavour Bible. I usually go to the Flavour Thesaurus for my references, but Nikki Segnit has got nothing to say about courgettes. Okay, so and we're going to, of course, we need some sprouts to make it a meal. And the sprouts are going to, these are mung bean sprouts. And I think they're going to add some protein as well. But there's very little starch in this, so there's virtually no starch in any of my meals. So, yeah, great for weight loss. And we eat far too much starch anyway. So, okay, so let's carry on. This shouldn't take too long. Oh yeah, we got miso. I'm going to use miso. I like brown rice miso. Miso is fermented soybeans, a staple in Japan. Japanese eat miso soup after every meal. We got some dashi. Okay, use a vacuum wine stopper on the bottle to take out all the air and keep it in the fridge, and it stays fresh for about 3 days. So I make 3 days supply. See my link underneath to see how to make it, and see my full-length video, the 28 health benefits of miso soup, 28 at least health benefits of miso soup. It's a very long video, but worth watching. Okay, so first of all, garlic. So we'll start making the garlic straight away. Start crushing the garlic, and you can put plenty of garlic in. I made some soup yesterday, and I was a bit tentative with the garlic, and I think you can put plenty in. You know, having tasted it, I could hardly taste the garlic, so I think we can put plenty of garlic in the soup. So that's what I'm going to do. And always crush the garlic at least 10 minutes before you use it, because the wonderful medicinal allicin needs 10 minutes in oxygen, in the air, in the atmosphere to develop. Okay, so there's an enzyme which, when the garlic is crushed, allicin develops. Okay, and it takes 10 minutes to develop. So if you don't give it 10 minutes, you're not getting the health benefits. So in some of my videos I forgot to give it 10 minutes. So Yeah, so that's generally why I don't talk in my videos, because I can't walk and chew gum at the same time, as Lyndon Johnson famously said of Gerald Ford. What he actually said was he can't fart and walk at the same time. But it was sanitized. So the sanitized version is can't walk and chew gum at the same time, and I'm one of those people. I can only concentrate on one thing at a time. So here we go. So I'll shut up now, and we'll cue the music. Neil is my editor. Voila!